Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money online in New Zealand by the help of different online research data techniques. So let's begin the video. So today online surveys and market research data gathered and they can tell us that in New Zealand you can pay or you can earn the money through sign up for ISA. Basically ISA has over 3 million participants in their survey community earning different rewards from the variety of surveys. These surveys questionnaires come from a wide range of industries such as entertainment, advertising, etc. ISA is a popular survey network in New Zealand with many of its users being impressed by its reliability. So why people chose ISA? ISA because it is reliable as a part of massive global company. ISA rewards as you promise with no trickery. So how to join ISA? Sign up here by entering your general information by using your email address and name. After that, you will be asked several questions about your household. Then confirm your email to verify your account and start answering the surveys as usual. Once you have completed the paid surveys, you can cash out through gift vouchers or you have received a minimum amount balance of 500 say points. Each survey typically earns between 10 to 100 points. What are the pros and cons? Pros are basically the advantages available as mobile app, competitive reward choices. There is a reward for every effort. Users who have been using the panel for years say that ISA is very generous when it comes to point and expect a steady flow of surveys. And what are cons? Users have reportedly that the site lags a lot. The sites are usually lags a lot and completely largely without any disruptions. Surveys are completed. Rewards as you gift, you can obtain gift from Amazon, Starbucks, sweepstake entries, donation to charities, and sign up to ISA here. It takes at least 30 seconds for signing up. In the next step, you can earn money online in New Zealand by working with Nielsen, Homescan, and digital voice platform. In this platform, they offers the best way to make money online, such like doing your everyday activities such as buying groceries and browsing the internet. It's simple fun for the family and the effective way to earn without investing any more time. And what can I earn? Please note that digital voice, your information is 100% secure, software is installed. Signing up takes almost 2 to 5 minutes and then they will provide you a reward. Difficulty level is easy and you can do by digital voice and home scan. So the third way you can earn money in New Zealand by complete online surveys for cash and gift cards. Perhaps the best known way of making the money online is completing online surveys. If you are about between 18 and 65, then chances are a company wants to hear your thoughts so that it can fine tune in marketing. There are dozens of websites offering to pay you to complete surveys, but getting paid and making sure that the offer is legitimate can be a problem. Our shortlist below include the companies most trusted to deliver. So their time investment is a company that is mostly essential in online surveys. And what can I earn? Almost 50 cents to $5 or $10 per day. Or how am I paid? By PayPal, by bank transfer, by PayPack, by Payoneer accounts. And where do I start? By ISA, digital voice, home scan, valued opinions like this, and difficult level is easy almost. So Money Hub's top 3 reliable picks I already told you.